noisy. Just told Haley she was noisy.
I'm recording my hiccups. Ah!
Aw, the guy came and got it from him. Just sit here.
I was going to go over and pick him up.
I know, but the guy met him and picked it up from him.
I'm recording my hiccups right now. I think they're done. I lied.
Luckily, a guy took pity on me.
I'm recording my hiccups.
Really nice.
Ah! These are my legit hiccups. Aren't they, you guys?
Yes.
Ah! I've had them for like 30 minutes or something now. Insane because we were in Home Depot. I'll show you. Ah! No, wait, I can't. Here, I'll show you. Ah! I don't know if you saw that. We were in Home Depot and my parents subject me to having hiccups in Home Depot.
Why are you filming
And they didn't let me leave. Ah! No one believes that's my real hiccup. It is my real hiccup. And everyone in Home Depot stared at me and the workers commented. And it was not nice. Ah! And you could hear it across the entire store. And my parents didn't walk with us. Ah! So it was kind of awkward. And Evan just laughed at me the whole time.
And I think the people in Giant might have heard you too.
Ah! And it wasn't nice. So, yeah. And I don't look that great today either, so it's been a bang up day, man. Ah!
Why are you filming this?
Because no one believes it, and so I'm going to put it on Facebook, and then they're going to believe that my hiccup really does sound like a dying goose. Ah! And that jerky thing is real, too. Like, I can't not do that.
I'll hold you.
No, don't.
No.
Don't touch me.
Hiccup.
Don't touch me. No. Ah!
You didn't jerk. Too much.
Don't laugh, Mom. My mom laughs at me. She hurts my feelings. And they don't just, like, go away. No one can just scare me and they go away. They're just there. And they just suck.
You scared.
Ah! Can you hear all the laughter? The laughter of my family? What is this? Ah!
Take you out hunting with you. You sound like a duck call.
Ah!
My face is hurting from laughing.
Did you hear that? My mom said her face is hurting from laughing. Love you too. Ah! Ah! My life sucks.
Hey, you're an ordained minister. Take care of it.
This has been like the past 30 minutes. Ah! Well, me and my friend Jacques, we're now ordained ministers from the church of like some church in California.
What's happening now?
We were online. You just type in your name and stuff, and then they give you a certificate of ordination or something like that. We're in reverends now. We could technically marry people if we had legit certificates. We just have to pay for that part.
All right.
I'm done.